The right indicator on ESSS0 blinks red. The Fusion Solar app and Smart PVMS report alarm 3013. Abnormal battery expansion module communication. Use the following solutions for troubleshooting. Check the communications cables or communications ports. Check the COM ports on the power control module. Check that the COM ports are clean. Check the COM ports on the battery expansion module. Check that the COM ports are intact. Check the RJ45 connector of the ESS communications cable. Check that the connector is clean and intact. Check that the communications cable between the power control module and battery expansion module is securely connected. Remove and insert the communications cable. Press and hold the black start button for more than 5 seconds. After 1 minute, check that the alarm has been cleared and the ESS is operating normally. Check that the communications cable between the power control module and battery expansion module is normal. Replace the communications cable between the power control module and battery expansion module with a common 8-core network cable about 1 meter long. Press and hold the black start button for more than 5 seconds. After 1 minute, check that the alarm has been cleared and the ESS is operating normally. Check whether the COM ports on the battery expansion module are normal. Connect the common 8-core network cable, about 1 meter long, to the other COM port on the battery expansion module. Press and hold the black start button for more than 5 seconds. After 1 minute, check that the alarm has been cleared and the ESS is operating normally. Check whether the CAN communication of the battery expansion module is normal. Perform maintenance according to the procedure. Connect the power cables between the power control module and battery expansion module. Cut a new communications cable in the middle. Check that each pin of the RJ45 connector on the communications cable is correctly connected according to the color. Short circuit pins 1 and 2 of the communications cable. Set the DC switch on the power control module to on. Connect the short-circuited communications cable to the COM port on the battery expansion module. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage between the cascading terminals on the bottom battery expansion module. It should be as greater than or equal to 325 volts. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage between pins 7 and 8 of the communications cable. The CAN communication voltage should be 1.2 to 1.5 volts. If not, replace the battery expansion module. If yes, restore the cable connection. Use the Fusion Solar app to search for the ESS. If it cannot be found, replace the power control module.